Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with a new video. I will be doing MESSYLOCS for my clients, and this is just me showing you how I am going to prep my clients hair. And also I'm going to show you how to make the hot water. Remember I usually say I steam my clients hair when I'm done, but I never really show you how I do it. Like, it's literally just boiling hot water and dipping your dry towel in the hot water and using it in your client's hair, and it just helps it to be more flexible. I mean, the hair is already soft, but who doesn't want more flexibility? So that's what hot water does to your hair. But I feel like sometimes people have to kind of see how I do it, so I'm going to be showing you that as well when I'm done with my client's parts. So I'll be doing the free parts for her. We had about 44 counts of locks for her, and I'll also be using color 1B, and this length is mid back, and I believe I only used about 7 packs of the spring twist hair. And I also had the link to the hair in my description box. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow my social media, because whenever I post a video, I usually end up posting a picture of my client's hair when I'm done. And also on my social medias, you can also ask me any questions at all. Like, people come and ask me questions, and I always answer them. Sometimes it just takes me longer time to reply all the comments on my YouTube or my DMs and comments on social media. I always try to answer all the questions, because I understand you just want people to get back to you ASAP, because you might need to get the hair, you might have a client, you might have to do your own hair. So I totally understand. So don't forget to follow and subscribe, and also turn on your notification. In that way, you'll be able to see my posts whenever I post something on YouTube. Also, more on this style. This style is a messy lock, so it's messy distress locks again. But again, like I said, if you want a certain look, if you watch the video, just do exactly what the video is telling you to do. You can add your own stuff just to kind of finesse, but just do you and have fun with it, and you'll be just fine. Trust me, you can never go wrong with messy or distress locks. You can never, only if you want a specific look. But if all you care for is the mess and the distress of the hair, then you should be fine. So it's not that deep, basically. This is just me counting my client's hair to make sure I have 44 counts of locks. And also, I prepped my hair. I didn't really show a video of me prepping my hair. Sorry guys, I talk really fast, so I'm sorry if I'm just flying through. So to start this hair, I used 1.5. So I took one strand and I took another strand. I divided one strand into 2, and I used 1.5 to start wrapping, and then to continue wrapping, I just kept using 1.5 strands. Again, you can start wrapping with one strand and just continue with 2 strands, or 1.5, and just with 1.5 or through. I just like to change it every now and then just to see how it's going to look like on different density. I'll just say, to see what works best for you, try doing one strand all the way, and also try doing 1.5 and then 2 strands until you get your desired length, and of course your desired size as well. So this is the hot water. It's already boiled, and I'm just literally dipping the towel in the hot water, and I'm going to use the wet spots on my client's hair. I'm just going to fold it and just let the steam sit on my client's hair. That's literally what I did. So sometimes it's funny when people say I should show them, and I don't know, but I'm like, maybe you seeing it might help, but that's exactly how I did it. Okay, so I don't know how else to show you guys, but that's exactly how I did it. Okay, nothing special, nothing more, just that exactly. So now this is me just crocheting my spring twist here in, and I'm just going to wrap. Again, I lied to you guys. Okay, I think for this one I started with 1 strand alone, because the hair are pretty thick. If one strand is thick, when you fluff it, you can clearly use it, but if it's not thick, then you can add something more. So 1 strand, 1.5 strand, it doesn't really matter. I just feel like I love to end with a thicker density. That's the reason why I ended up using 2 strands for my ends, or sometimes 1.5 strands for my ends. Like I said, try seeing what works best for you. You can either start with 1 strand and finish with 2 strands, or start with 1.5 and finish with 1.5. Just see what works best for you. And again, some spring twist hair comes really skinny, so I don't want you to do exactly what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, try and see using the 1 strand and then 2 strand and then 1.5 strand to see what's size works best for you, because some spring tooth hair comes really thick and some comes really skinny. For some of them, you don't really need to add an extra piece or an extra half of strand. For some of them, they're so skinny that you have to add it if you're not going for the small size. So just experiment. If you have a mannequin, try using that and seeing what works best for you. That was how I did mine, and that's why I just kind of know which locks or which hair or which parts to, like, you know, fit in one or fit in 1.5 strand and everything. I just haven't started with 2 strands at all, because it just makes the roots very stiff and very thick, and I don't want it to be thick. I want it to start small and finish thick. That's how I like my locks. I think it looks nicer and it has like a nice definition to it. Anywho, I'm sorry I just spoke through all this lock, but I think for the next one you're gonna see exactly what I did. Again, I'm just using my thumb to create a messy loop. I'm using my thumb to wrap before and after the loop, just to make sure the loop doesn't disappear. And now I'm gonna wrap all the way up, and I'm just wrapping freestyling, no big deal, and using my palm to rub it when I am done, just so it doesn't unravel, and just so you don't have to really burn your ends. That's exactly what I did. So this video is basically just showing you, you know, creating the messy look, me showing you how to steam your clients locks, and just giving you some other information that I already mentioned, like the size that I use, the length and all that stuff, and the packs that I use and all that stuff, and nothing more. I feel like I've made a lot of videos of this style, so if you want some references, you can always go back and, you know, watch them. And that will be all for now. Please, again, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe.